Hello, welcome to SM Tech World. Today I am going to show you one way to share data between sibling components, right? So basically there are multiple ways to share data between components, between Angular components. So you can use input and output decorator that comes built in with Angular. I already made on one video for the same. You can check the video description if you want to watch that video. And today I am going to show you the other way, right? So I am going to create one shared service and I am going to share data using that shared service, right? So basically you can see I have created three components, right? Component A, component B, component C, and you can see there is no parent-child relationship between these components, right? So all are sibling component, right? So there is one component called main component, app component. Then in that we have three separate component, right? So there is no parent-child relationship between these components, right? So all are sibling kind of component, right? So okay, so you can see I have three component: component A, component B, component C. So now what is our objective is to, so probably I will take one input box here in the component A, and whatever I will type, or I want to show those data in component B and component C, right? So basically we need to figure out a way to, so that we can share the data whatever we are typing in the component A, that should be visible in the component B and C. Okay, so let me open the component A HTML and let me take one input box and probably one button, right? So let me take that first. So I will take one input box. It should be type text, and I'm going to name it as type txt, and I will give it an ID. So one, something like this, type text. Okay, and I'm going to take one ng model for the same, since I need to do two-way binding. So I need to take one ng model and I'm going to name it as my text. Okay, I think that's pretty much.
Here's a result from the web.
So now what I will do, I will take another button using which I am going to share the data. So button, and there should be a button closing tab, and let me name it as share, and in the on click so in the on click I am going to call one method, right? So share method, probably share. Okay, let me define these two things in a component. It's throwing error because I have not defined those in component.ts file. Okay, so now let me define those two. At first I am going to define one method, share method, and we are just not returning anything, and I am going to take one variable, two-way binding variable, and it should be my text and it should be a string, right? Okay, so now I think it will compile. Yeah, you can see it's compiling, right? So you can see I have one input box and I have one button called share button, right? So our objective is whatever I will type here, I need to show it here, right? So to do that, let's do one thing. Let's take two variable in the component B and component C. Okay, so let me open the component B HTML and let me write like this: text receive, something like this. This will be a variable name. Let me define that in component B also. Okay, so it should be again a string, and initially it will be blank. Okay, now I will do similar thing for component C also, right? So you can give it any name, right? So it's not like that you need to provide same name. So you can give any name, and it should be text receive, and let me do interpolation here also. I want to show the message. Okay, so this will look like this. Okay, so this is my component A, and I'm going to type in here. I'm going to click on share. I'm going to show this whatever I typed here. I'm going to display those in component B and component C, right? So I need to figure out a way to share this, right? So as I already told you, I am going to create one common shared services, right? Using that shared services, I am going to pass or share data between multiple components, right? So let us do that. Let us create one common services. So Angular generator, let me click on services and let me name it as shared services only. Okay, so I am good. I think it's already created one shared services. Now what I need to do, I need to so basically we are going to use subject. So if you are not familiar with subject, you can, I will going to provide this link and you can read more. Let me explain in short here. So subject basically it's part of RxJS library, the observable kind of thing. But subject is like an, you can read the definition here, right? A subject is like an observable, but it can multicast to many observer, right? So basically, whenever you are using observable, whenever you are returning observable, that is unicast, right? So only one subscriber can receive those value. But in subject, it is multicasted, right? Means multiple subscriber can receive value at a time, right? So whenever I am pushing any value in my subject, so whatever subscriber, so suppose in this case we have two subscriber, right? We will have two subscriber, one in component B, one will be in component C, right? Basically two subscriber will receive values at same time. So basically I am going to use subject for the same. Okay, so let's write the code then. And so there are multiple types of subject, you can read it there. Probably I will make a separate video for the same. So in this scenario, for this scenario I am going to use a basic subject, right? So what I will do, I will declare one variable here, probably private, and it's private, and let me name it as shared text. Okay, shared text, and its type should be subject, or you can directly like this, new subject, and I am going to pass string value, and it will look like this. Okay, so I'm just initializing it, right? So let me import subject also. So it should be import subject from RxJS. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Now what I created one common service, and I just create one variable, and I'm going to initialize subject there, right? So we are going to use string type subject only. So now what I will do, I will create two getter and setter, right? So it should be in public, since we are going to access this from other component. And for the first thing, for the getter, the return type will be subject only. So let me name it first. So it should be get value, something like this, and my return type will be observable or subject of string, right? It should be subject of string. Okay, now what I will do, sorry, it should be observable of string, right? Of string. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, I will just, since the getter method, I am going to just return it, right? So return shared this dot shared text. Okay, so that's all, right? So we are just returning it. So similarly I am going to create one setter method to set the value of the subject, right? So it should be set value, and we are not returning anything. It should be on void, and we are going to set the value, right? So to set the value, I need to pass one value, right? So let me define as value, and it should be a string, and we are going to set it. So to set a value in subject, we have one option, right? We need to just call the next method of the subject, right? So shared.next. So subject method, subject comes with some inbuilt method, next, complete, and error, right? So next means you are pushing new value to the subject, right? So we are using next. Okay, so right, whatever I am getting value, I am just setting that as next, right? So that's pretty much. And let me check once again, cross check. Since it's service, you need to inject this service, right? So let me check my Angular module. I think it is already done. Yeah, it's already provided to my module, right? So if you are creating by your own, if you are not using Angular CLI, then you need to write this line, right? Provided shared services. Okay, so if my all component in this module will receive same instance, or will get same instance of our services, shared services. Okay, so now what I will do, so now I'm done. I created my services, right? So I need to call this get method. So since we are getting those value in component B as C, I need to call this get value method, and from A I need to call this set value method, right? To set the value of the subject, right? So let's set it first. So how we can do this? So let me open the component A, component TS file. So this is my component A TS file, right? So what I will do, I need to initialize that subject services, right? So it should be private. And it should be read only since we are not doing anything, and let me name it as shared services, and its type will be, so we are just initializing those services in constructor, right? So our shared services. Okay, so let me import it also. So how it will look, so import, and it should be shared services from, it should be from, okay, so I imported this also, shared services. Now I am initializing in the inside of constructor now in the share method. So I will click, whenever I will click, this method will getting called, right, share method, and I just need to set the value, right? So I need to call the setter method. So this dot shared services, it should be set value, right? So let me open component A, it should be set value, and I am going to pass our ng model value, right? So this dot my text. Okay, I think that's pretty much, that's all we need to do in our component A, right? So we are done with component A. So whatever I will type, I am going to share that using our setter method, right? So okay, now let's open to the component B and let's see what we can do there. So I am opening my component B TS file. Okay, so again similarly I need to initialize it in our constructor, right? So basically again I need to import the same. So let me import that also. Okay, so let me import it here. So yeah, so now what I will do, I have done with my import, right? So I need to get the value, right? So I need to subscribe to my subject to receive the value, right? So I will do the same here, this dot shared services dot get value, and again the way we used to do the subscribe, same syntax. Okay, so subscribe, then the value, whatever value I am getting, I am going to assign it in my text receive variable, right? So equal to value. Okay, so we are almost done for component B also. Let's do it in component C and C. Okay, so let's do it in component C also. Similarly, I am going to create same thing there also. So okay, so basically let me copy the same. So it should be private services and shared services, and let me open my component CTS file. It will look like this, and I need to import it also. So let me import the same. Okay, so yeah, so we are done, right? So now what we will do, we will again subscribe to this, right? So this dot share services, shared services dot get value, it also subscribe dot result, and I am going to assign it in my this dot text receive, right? So the same variable, or you can rename it to different thing also, that's not a problem. Okay, so it should be result. Okay, I think we are done with this. Okay, so let's try, let's save it also. Let's save everything. Yeah, everything is saved. Let's try to run it and check, okay, whether it's working or not. So at first I'm going to type my name here, and I'm going to click share. You can see that all the data are showing here, right? So whatever I'm typing, it is shared between two components, right? So this is the power of subject, right? So basically it's multicasted. So we have one of subject. This is here we defined it. This is the single subject, and we are just multicasted that value to define different component, right? In this case, we are doing it for two components. So this is a simple example to share the string. You can even share the Boolean value, number, basically anything. You can share the object also, right? So this is the way how you can share data between sibling components, right? So there is another way. This is another way of doing component interaction. Okay. So that's pretty much for this video. I am going to add this link of Git. I am going to upload this code in GitHub, and I am going to add the link in the video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.